Slice brushes project through your unsubdivided mesh, cutting polygons and creating polygroups along the way. Slice curve allows you to slice your mesh using a curve. A single tap of the Alt key lets you change direction, creating curves. Double tap Alt key to pivot and create corners. Slice Rect allows you to slice square or rectangular shapes into your mesh. Slice brushes currently don't work with symmetry. Use mirror and weld as needed. Slice Circle allows you to slice your mesh with circular or oval shaped projections. Control-click on polygroups to unmask. Perform a quick extrude on your unsubdivided mesh by unmasking a portion of your model. Next, Control-click and drag on any arrow with the Gizmo 3D to perform a quick extrude.